My name is Tim Hoff. I am the owner of Hang This Up and the inventor of my shed organizing system. The happiest day for most people in relationship to the yard shed is the day that it's purchased. But once it's filled with your stuff, it can become an incredibly messy no-go zone. Bikes are scattered, fishing rods are tangled, and retrieving a yard tool virtually creates an avalanche. My passion is to help homeowners organize their messy spaces and convert them into places that you can be proud of. I developed my shed organizing system out of Wissa Birch plywood, which is an incredibly strong product. A 3/8-inch piece of Wissa Birch plywood has 7 layers that crisscross, which gives it amazing strength considering its thickness. Each hanger comes pre-drilled with holes so that the installation process goes rather quickly. The items are being manufactured in the United States of America. They're made from a very durable and sturdy product. All of the hangers attach to the side of your studs, joists, and rafters and create a beautiful hanging system that will help you to organize your yard shed. If organization is not simple, I believe it will never get done. So the mission of my shed organizing system in this building is complete. We've converted this messy space into a place that the homeowner can be proud of. My shed organizing system also offers the service of a shed organizing specialist. This individual is a contractor who can be paid to come and install all of the hangers and transform your messy space into a place that you can be proud of.